Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Arun's Automation Academy. So in this video, we'll be looking into Playwright hooks. What is hooks and how we can achieve hooks in Playwright, and what is before all, after all, before each, after each, all these things, and why we need hooks in Playwright. Okay, let's go with what are hooks. Hooks are special functions that run automatically before or after test. Okay, so if I'm executing two test cases, okay, and in the two test cases I'm passing the URL, but it is the same URL. Okay, it is repetitive, right? So instead of that, if I pass it in before each, I will pass only one time. The execution of the URL will happen only in the before each, and the test script will happen. Okay, I will show you that one as well in real time demo. I will show you how it works, and to avoid the how they help. Avoid repetitive code, manage setup and cleanup, and control test lifecycle. Okay, this is one of the most important question. So you need to learn it. Okay, problem without hooks. As I said, if you see there are two test cases here, test 1 and test 2. See, here we are going to the same URL. Okay, this is repetitive code, right? What is the solution for this one? The solution is we have to use before each here. Okay, before each is like it will execute before each steps. Okay, so if you are adding it here, you don't need to mention it here. Okay, you just need to give the login things or something. Okay. This solution and types. What are the types? Before all, before each, after all, after each. Okay. Runs before all the test, runs before every test, runs after every step, and runs once all after all test. Okay. I will show you how it works in real time as well now. So first thing, you have to create a hooks.spec.ts. Okay. And you need to import test comma expect. I'm using copilot here. Okay, it will only suggest everything. Okay, test dot describe close bracket and open bracket. Here I'm giving what is this? Hooks. Okay, hooks comma open bracket close bracket arrow function I'm doing here. That's it. Okay. So what are the things that we have to do here? Before all, after all, before each, after each. Okay, these four things we are going to do, and we have test 1 and test 2 also here. Okay, so how it will execute? First before all it will happen, then before each, then it will go to test case 1 and after each and after all. This is how it executes. Okay, we'll see the code now. Test dot before all. Okay, before all, here. So we can take launch URL or something, launch browser here, and we don't need us here as we are not passing anything here. Console log. Instead of launching browser, I will give before all. Before all. Okay. Next one. Test dot after all. Okay. Test after all. Second thing is here. Okay. It's showing some error. It's only almost generating the code. Okay, now it got fixed. Something happened, I guess. Okay, so next one is test dot before each. Okay, passing the URL. Okay, comma. Here I'm giving comma. Okay. Okay. So what I need to add here, page, and here I have to add async, because so in the test only we are going to pass the URL async. Sorry, await page dot go to playwright dot. We can pass like this. Console before each. Okay. What is the next one? Test dot after each. Okay. What is the next one? Test. Test. Test one, comma. So we don't need async here because we are not doing anything. I'm just printing it. Console. Yeah. Console of test one. Same for test two here. Okay. This is for test two. So what will happen here? What will happen? Before all will execute first, after all, after that, before each and after each, test one, test two. Okay. I'm running the script now, executing it now. So both browsers got open now. Okay. So what happened? .dev. I think we can use instead of this, we can use Google. Google.com. Right click, run test. Okay, now it will get passed, I guess. See what happened here. Before all it got executed all before all first one, and for test case 2 before all get executed 2 times here, and before each here, and for test 2 after each after all have executed same before each test 1 after each after all. So this is how it works. Okay, before all, and then before each, and then test case 1, and then after each, same. So this is how it works. This is how the hooks works. Okay. And before all example, all those things I have shown you now. So this is the explanation, basic explanation for hooks. And do share it to your friends, and you can also practice with these things. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Do subscribe as well.